DC Comics is launching a new Black Canary miniseries called Best of the Best. In November 2024, the series is written by Tom King and illustrated by Ryan Sook. Story follows Dinah Lance, also known as Black Canary, as she trains intensely to prove herself as the greatest fighter in the DC universe. She faces off against deadly assassin Lady Shiva in a tournament-style competition. Along the way, Dinah seeks guidance and training from some of the DC's top warriors, including Wildcat, Batman, and even her own mother. The series is intended to be a standalone story, not connected to DC's main All-In initiative. Interestingly, writer Tom King revealed that he had previously hidden a Black Canary Easter egg in his earlier miniseries, Mr. Miracle comic.
Wow.
Suggesting he's had this Black Canary story in mind for some time. Overall, it seems like Black Canary Best of the Best will be a high-profile showcase for the character with a creative team known for their acclaimed work, and a premise that pits Dinah against the best fighters in the DC universe. That comes out in November.
November 27th.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Nice. Well, listen, I will say this. Tom King has done really well when left to his own devices with this kind of thing. And Ryan Sook is an amazing artist who we've only ever seen in select stories or short bursts or covers. So to get a miniseries of all of his work, it's going to be gorgeous.
I've read through Mr. Miracle twice. Now I have to read through it again for a third time to catch this little
Easter egg.
Easter egg, yeah.
Well, when you find it, let us know.
Leo, you're muted again.
Sorry. Are you complaining, Jar Jar?
Next.
No.
It's
I
such
was saying I need to
Next.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Hey,